You might be in a situation where you want to remove the background of a photo for an edit or something like that. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background of photo on iPhone. Without further ado, let's get started. Now just open up your Photos app and get to your camera roll and choose that specific photo that you want to remove the background to. So for example, I want to remove the background on this one and just do the cutout of this specific character. What you can actually do is just to press and hold on that subject or person. For example, like this one, you should be able to select it automatically with your iPhone. And once you have press and hold on that, these options should pop up. So just click on copy right there. And now we're gonna head on to the Notes app. Since we have copied that, let's just paste it in here. Click on paste. And now you have successfully removed the background of that photo. Now to save this, just press and hold on this one and click on share right here. And click on save image on this one. So once you go back to the photos, you can see that photo with the background removed. Also, if you don't have those options, make sure that your software version is up to date. So just go to settings, click on general, click on software update. Make sure that your iOS version is iOS 16 and above. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.